Yeah. Well, I'm still at Mother's house and I'm out on her backyard grass. Okay, here's her backyard grass, and there's two sprinklers in the middle of the grass that are way down low. Look how low it is. And the last time, and then there's another one over there, down in the middle over that way, and look how low it is. The last time, these are drains. So this one here is a drain, and it kind of dips down, and there's another one out there, but there's two sprinklers in the middle of the grass. And about a year ago, I was thinking, I turned the sprinklers on, and I didn't see anything in the middle, and I thought for sure there was something in the middle of the grass. Lots of times grass, they just have them on the outside edge, you know, depending on how big your yard is. Okay, but this one's pretty big. Okay, so, and I could not find them. I probed and probed and probed. Finally I hit something, and I dug it out, and sure enough, there was a sprinkler head there. There's another one towards the other side, and I trimmed all this stuff. I told the landscapers, the gardeners, when I saw them, to remind them to dig, to trim around that with their weed whacker. And last time I was here, last time I was here, you still could hardly see them, but yet when you turn the sprinklers on, it would pop up and it would still go, but yet the grass was growing over it again. And I thought, hey, next time I see the gardeners, I'll show them where they are, and I did this last time, and that's why it looks kind of ugly around here, because he didn't whack it off very well, and it's down probably 2 inches too low. Now, how can I fix that? He said he could fix it, and I said no, because I know he was probably going to charge, I don't know how much, probably $35-40 per sprinkler head to mess around with it. And so I went to the store, and that's what this video is about, how to fix this. Okay, if you want to watch that, stick around. Now, I really wasn't going to make a video of this. I was supposed to make a video of this. This was that coupling, and if you're watching, and if you were with me the other day, you would have seen I was doing some work on the back side of this, and I shut the sprinklers off, and they've been off for the last 2 days because I didn't have enough time to fix that. Here's that pipe. Here's that pipe that I cut off that I need to fix it with that. You're just gonna have to keep watching my videos, and I'll show you how to fix that coupling, how to fix those two pipes. Well, right now I'm gonna talk to you about this here. I'm gonna have to dig around there. That sprinkler head is probably maybe that tall, so I'm gonna have to dig around that and unscrew that, and then I'm gonna take these things. This is a sprinkler riser. Okay, this is called a 6-inch sprinkler riser. See, on the end, this is the part you screw down in the pipe, and you're never going to get down there to tighten that up. You can just tighten this up by hand. But then this riser, we'll get this thing off of here. You see, there's all these different ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Then I can take this down there after I unscrew that, and there's an existing riser like this. Now maybe that riser is only from here to there, let's say. I don't think it's a whole 6 inches. This is a 6-inch riser. Okay, hopefully, well, chances are it's not this long. It might be cut off. It might be cut off to there or to there. And my thought is, if I take this head off, then if I can reach down there, I might be able to unscrew that old piece. If the old piece is only to there, then I can take that out, and then I can take this piece and screw this down in there, and then put the sprinkler head on there and see where it lines up to the top of the grass. Okay, I don't want it to the exact top of the grass. I want it slightly lower. Okay, so that's one way I can do it, and that's what I'm gonna end up doing first. Okay, if I can unscrew that old riser. It's been in there over 20 years, 24 years or so, and it's been this low. Can you believe that? The main sprinkler guys, main landscapers, they installed it that low. Why on earth did they have installed it that low for? Now another way I can do it is I could just take this piece out, unscrew it. I'll have to dig it around there so that I can reach it with a pair of pliers or something, or I might even be able to unscrew it by hand. Okay, then the other way I could do it is I could take this coupling. See, this coupling has threads. It's got threads on both ends, so I can just screw this on there, see? Okay, imagine that down in the ground over here, and I can take that head off, screw this down, and then I can put this on there. Okay, and now obviously this is going to be up way too high off the ground. Then I can hold the sprinkler head on there and imagine, okay, which one should I cut it off? And if you have a question, if you don't want to make it too short, make it too long, cut this off with a hacksaw. Okay, I can cut it off right there. And maybe with this one, because it's only a couple inches, see, I would have to screw that on and probably cut it right there, and that's it. Okay, you could do it that way. But before I do that, you know, here's the thing. This thing here costs $1.25 or so. This was 74 cents. Okay, $1.25, and I got two of them, so that's $2.50. I could do it that way, but do I want to waste? I might be able to do it without this coupling, just with this. You see what I mean? So that's what I'm going to try first. If I can get all the way down there, screw this in, and then maybe it comes up all the way, just screw the head on without using the coupling. Or maybe I only have to cut one of those. Or maybe that's so far down I'm going to have to use the coupling anyways. I'll be able to tell once I start digging that out. Because if I don't have to use those couplings to fix this, I just saved myself $2.50. Now obviously I'm going to have to take those back to Lowe's. I never have to do stuff like this around here other than right now. But if you've got a low sprinkler head, this is how you could fix it. One of these ways, okay? And knowing me, Video Joe, if I don't have to use these and save that $2.50, you bet your life I'm not going to use these couplings, okay? All right, I'm going to have to grab my little gardener shovel and kind of dig around that and see what I can do. Stick around.